I've got Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Winter Woods. I've got a lovely sketch by Jen Miller. I've got some photos. I think it's Simple Story Saturday. And I just have a layout chair for you. So I went ahead. I had some scraps. And I cut up some of the papers. So I did the striping in the corner like she did in her sketch. I drew with a gray pen partial circles, and then I went ahead with my sewing machine and just some white stitching and did the part circles, and then I just layered things up, used up some of the frames. I'm really sorry I didn't show you the process for this, but this is my Simple Story Saturday. So 30 days of sketches, Simple Story Saturday. I used up a lot of my embellishments and stuff in this little mini kit that I had. So I was very happy about that I used some things up, and another set page like in my album. So this is technically not winter. It was October, I realized later when I started scrapbooking it, but it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. It started getting cold though. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the links down below and see everybody else playing along. Hopefully I will have more for you in the near future. I've been just really quiet on my channel lately, I know. So, but again, thank you. I apologize for not having a process video, but at least it's a layout share, and I appreciate you all. We'll see you next time.